Have you ever imagined what would happen if you started running for 30 minutes every morning? Have you ever laced up your sneakers and hit the pavement just as the sun is rising? If you haven't done so already, it may be worth taking a moment to reconsider your decision. Running for 30 minutes every morning can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Running, often seen as a daunting task, holds the keys to an improved quality of life when practiced consistently. Our bodies, wonderfully complex and adaptable, respond to the stress of running in ways that fortify our health and extend our lifespan. From enhanced cardiovascular fitness and weight management to improved mental health and cognitive function, running promises a myriad of benefits. However, this is merely scratching the surface of what lies beneath. In today's video, we're going to unpack the magic that happens within your body when you dedicate just a fraction of your morning to running. So, tie up those laces and get ready because it's time to explore the transformative power of running. Let's take a look at 10 health benefits you can experience when you run for just 30 minutes every morning. Number 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Running is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that helps strengthen your heart and lungs. When you run, your heart rate increases, which improves blood circulation and ensures that oxygen is efficiently delivered to all parts of your body. This increased blood flow also helps reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. A 2019 study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that running, irrespective of its duration or speed, would significantly lower the risk of death from all causes. The study further indicated that running for just 50 minutes a week, roughly equivalent to a moderate 30-minute run 3 times a week, led to a 27% lower risk of death from heart disease and a 23% reduced risk of death from cancer. It's compelling evidence of the power of a 30-minute morning run. Number 2. Increased endorphin production. Running is known to stimulate the production of endorphins, which are often referred to as the feel-good hormones. These chemicals help improve your mood, reduce stress and anxiety levels, and promote feelings of happiness and well-being. Endorphins also play a vital role in combating depression. Running triggers a flood of these mood-enhancing hormones, often inducing a state of euphoria known as the runner's high. The mental health benefits of running are so pronounced that it's been compared to meditation, with some experts terming it moving meditation. By undertaking a 30-minute run each morning, you're not just kick-starting your day on a positive note, but also taking a crucial step towards better mental health. Number 3. Boosted immune system. As you run, your body produces more white blood cells, which play a crucial role in fighting off infections and illnesses. This means that when you run for 30 minutes every morning, you are less likely to get sick. Additionally, improved immune response also translates to faster healing and recovery from injuries or surgeries. So, with every step you take during your morning run, you're not just getting fitter, but also stronger against diseases. Number 4. Weight management. Running is an excellent method for torching calories and keeping a healthy body weight. It is estimated that running for 30 minutes can burn anywhere between 300 to 500 calories, depending on your speed and intensity. Furthermore, running boosts your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories throughout the day. This increased metabolic rate continues even after your run, a phenomenon known as the afterburn effect. By devoting a 30-minute run into your morning routine, you're not only burning calories during the exercise but also enhancing your body's ability to burn calories at rest, contributing to effective weight management and fat loss. Thus, running can be a vital component of a comprehensive weight management regimen, promoting lean muscle development while keeping excess weight at bay. Number 5. Improved bone density. As we grow older, our bone density naturally decreases, rendering us more vulnerable to fractures and osteoporosis. However, regular running can help maintain and improve bone density, reducing the risk of these conditions. When you run, your body experiences a gravitational load that stimulates bone growth and strengthens the bones. This is because running is a high-impact activity that involves repeated pounding on the ground, forcing your bones to adapt and become stronger over time. Studies have shown that regular running helps increase bone density, particularly in the hips and lower back, areas that are most prone to fractures. This holds particular significance for women, as they face an increased susceptibility to osteoporosis following menopause. So, by running for just 30 minutes every morning, you're also investing in the long-term health of your bones. Number 6. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, regular physical activity can reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Running helps to regulate blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and improve insulin sensitivity. These are significant risk factors for chronic diseases that can be effectively managed by engaging in regular physical activity like running. Moreover, the positive effects of running on mental health also contribute to reducing the risk of developing stress-related chronic diseases. Number 7. Better sleep quality. Have you ever noticed that after a good run, your body feels more relaxed and ready for rest? That's because running not only tires out your muscles, but also helps clear your mind of any stress or anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep. Moreover, regular physical activity has been linked to improved sleep quality, reducing the risk of sleep disorders such as insomnia. Studies have shown that regular running can significantly reduce the time taken to fall asleep, increase the duration of deep sleep, and improve overall restfulness. Number 8. Increased muscle strength. Running is not just a great cardiovascular exercise, it also helps strengthen your muscles. When you run, your leg muscles work harder, and over time, they become stronger and more toned. This improved muscle strength can also help prevent injuries and improve overall mobility. Number 9. Improved mental clarity. Running not only improves physical health but also mental well-being. It helps clear your mind and increase focus, making you more alert and productive throughout the day. This can be especially beneficial for those who struggle with mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. Number 10. Increased confidence. Regular morning running helps boost your confidence and self-esteem. As you achieve your fitness goals and see improvements in your overall health, you will feel more confident in yourself and your abilities. This can have a profound and beneficial influence on every facet of your life, encompassing personal relationships as well as professional pursuits. It is important to keep in mind the significance of starting at a slower pace and progressively increasing your stamina. With consistency, you will soon see the positive changes in both your body and mind. Number 11. Increased energy levels. Contrary to popular belief, regular exercise can actually increase your energy levels. This is because running helps release endorphins and improves blood flow, making you feel more energized and alert. So, why wait? By starting your day with a 30-minute run, you can kickstart your energy levels and feel more productive throughout the day. So, why not lace up your running shoes and experience these amazing health benefits for yourself? Your body will thank you. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share this video, and subscribe for more health-related content. Stay fit, stay healthy, and keep running.